This is a students' marks table which shows marks scored by students in various subjects and total marks. Through this table, I will show you the use of index function. Here, I have made space for three types of use. In first case, I am fetching data from a one-dimensional data range. Here, I write the syntax is equal to index, open parenthesis, select the data range, comma, write the cell number, say 3, whose value to fetch, then close parenthesis. As it is a one-dimensional data range, so I may skip providing column number. In third position of data range, it is Murthy, which comes here by using index function. Next, I select a two-dimensional data range. Here, I write is equal to index, open parenthesis, select data range, comma, select row number, say 5, and then select column number, say 6. Then close parenthesis. I get 322, which is the total value of debit as available in the intersection of row number 5 and column number 6 of the student's marks table. I can not only fetch a single cell value, but can fetch an array of data. It may be a complete row or column. Suppose I like to get the array of the row containing Javed names and marks. For that, I have to select same number of cells. Here, there are 7 cells. So, I must select 7 cells here. Then after the selection, in first cell, I write is equal to index, open parenthesis, data range, comma, row number, say 7, and to get complete array, in place of column number, I write 0, then close parenthesis. Next, in place of enter, I need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus enter. See, the entire range of Javed has been picked up here. Index function can be used for multiple data range also. Here, I will show with two tables marked as table 1 and table 2, which are the marks of same set of students for semester 1 and semester 2. When I try to fetch the value of one cell, as in first case, I write here is equal to index, open parenthesis, again open parenthesis, select first data range, comma, select second data range, close parenthesis, comma, next row number, say 4, comma, column number, say 6, comma, then put 1 for area number as mentioned in the syntax, then close parenthesis. As I put 1, so first data range, that is table number 1, will be considered, and I get value 256, which is the total marks of Young as available at the intersection of row number 4 and column number 6. If I put 2 for area number, I get value 290, which is the total marks of Young as per table number 2 of second semester. In similar process, I can fetch array data here, select same number of cells, and then I write here is equal to index, open parenthesis, data range 1, comma, data range 2, close parenthesis, comma, row number, say 7, comma, and 0 for column number, comma, 1, close parenthesis, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. The array of marks of math in first semester as per table number 1 is available. If I replace 1 by 2 in place of area number and again press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, I get max marks array for second semester as per table number 2. That's the use of index function. I will explain the use of match function with the same student's marks table. I will show three types of use. The first case is of exact match. In this cell, I write the lookup value, say Tom. Here, the selected data range is student's name as highlighted. In the yellow colored cell, I write is equal to match, open parenthesis, select the cell containing lookup value, comma, select data range, comma, 0 for exact match, close parenthesis, then enter. As Tom's name is in second position of selected data range, so match function returns the value as 2. Next, I'll show you the use of approximate match function by putting +1 in place of match type in syntax. If I put +1, then match function returns the location of largest value that is less than or equal to the looked up value. But before that, data range needs to be placed in ascending order. In this case, I will look up in the total marks table. So first, I highlight the total marks range and then sort in ascending order. Suppose the lookup value is 300 as I write here. Now, in yellow cell, I write is equal to match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, data range, comma, 1, close parenthesis, enter. I get value as 7 as 287 is the largest number which is less than 300 and 287 is located in the 7th position of the selected data range. In similar process, I will show here the use of -1 as match type for approximate match, where match function returns the location of the smallest value which is greater than or equal to the looked up value. To do so, first I sort the data range in descending order. In lookup cell, again I write 300 and in yellow cell, I write is equal to match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, data range, comma, -1, close parenthesis, enter. I get value as 2 as 310 is the smallest value which is greater than 300 and location of 310 is second in the present data range. These are various uses of match function. Combination of index function and match function, I can fetch any data from data range. In this student's marks table, marks of any subject of any student can be taken out. To do so, I provide student name here, say David, and any subject here, say maths. In yellow colored cell, I write is equal to index, open parenthesis, select data range, comma. Now index syntax expects row number of specified location, and to get that I use match function. So write match, open parenthesis, select the student name from this cell, comma, select the array containing student's name, comma, 0 for exact match, close parenthesis, comma, then index function expects column number, and again I use match function to get that. So again match, open parenthesis, select the cell containing subject name, comma, select the array containing subject names, comma, 0 for exact match, close parenthesis, enter. Get 80, which matches table value. If I change student name to Javed and subject to physics, I get 40, which also matches. That's why combined index and match function can fetch any data from the data range. That's all about. Thank you.